Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need download driver Canon MAXIFY. This here for Australia. You type here for the driver download. This why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website Canon MAXIFY. This here for Australia. You click here .co.uk. This here for the Canon.co.uk. And this here for the printer, if you need to download, you scroll down. This here for the driver support for the Windows 10. If you need to download for the Windows 11 or the Macintosh, you click here. This here for the driver for Macintosh, and this here for driver for the Windows. If you need to download for the Windows 11, and this here you need to download driver for Windows 11. Click here for the Windows 11, and this here for the printer driver for the Windows 11. Okay, if you download, you scroll down. This here for button download. You click here for button download. Click here for the download. This here for the download the driver. If you need to install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer. This here for power printer. You turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and piece white. If finish the for the load. If you finish there for the load, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download, you search for by Google or your below description my video. And thank you for watching, like and subscribe. And I'll see you by next time the video.